You don't have to make money in your head. So who is it that is not feeling rich? Who is it? Who is it that is not allowing you to feel what you want to feel? Who are you trying to convince? This right here lays the very foundation of most of your struggles, maybe all of them. And it is that you are seeking provision in the external reality. You are not giving yourself your manifestations. They are trying to reach you. You've sent out very clear desires. I want this. But your doubt, your struggle, your thoughts, it is what Esther Hicks would call vibrational discord. It's holding it away from you. This video will be a short one, but it will be a video that you need to ponder on. You'll need to think about the question, who is it in me that is not rich? Or whatever you want. You can also ask it like this. Where am I feeling unsatisfied? And you will find in all cases that you are feeling unsatisfied in a playing ground that is yours, your mind. You're feeling unsatisfied, not in external reality, but in your mind. So when you ask me, but Chris, can I really change the past? I will say yes, but it does not matter if you can change the past, because what you're looking for is to change the present. You are thinking about the past. So you have bad thoughts about the past in the present moment. So it's in your mind in the present moment. Right? It does not get more present than that. So you're not trying to change the past. You're trying to change you. And by doing that, you are actually rewriting the past. And therefore also rewriting the future. But you don't have to believe that story. You just have to understand that you have to change present moment. And that's the only moment you can ever change. For you. Like in terms of actual change, feeling change now. Right? And that goes for everything. But Chris, can you make a video on how to deal with being shy? The solution is always to go to consciousness. I have the same key for every problem you will give me. And the key is you. Or you have the key, your consciousness. And you will go in there and you will allow yourself not to be it. Just let me read you a few quotes. Let's take this one first from Christianity. For there is one God, and there is one mediator between God and man, the man Christ Jesus. From Timothy 2:5. Christ Jesus being your consciousness, the mediator between God on the spiritual plane, or the creator of all things, Allah, source, whatever you call it, and you. Right? Same goes from the Quran. You worship besides Allah nothing but idols, simply creating lies about them. Those you worship besides Allah certainly cannot give you any provision. So seek provision from Allah alone, worship Him, and be grateful to Him. To Him you will all be returned. Right? It's the same thing. And this goes for, obviously I just took two religions, but it goes for all ancient texts. They all point towards one truth. You need to go not outside, but inside, where you will meet the extension of God. Right? And from that extension of God, you will ask God, Allah, source, consciousness, awareness, whatever you call it, for something new. And he is both the creator of all things, the provider of all things, and so on. So you will go in there for the solution. And you will say, I am shy, and what will I need to do about it? Well, you will need to go inside, into your own imagination, and you will imagine yourself not shy. Because you're feeling shy at this very moment. Extrapolate this to any problem you have. Right? And you will go inside and you will give yourself the solution. You will say, outside cannot give me any provision. External reality. Why do I idolize it? Why do I seek my provision in a place that can't ever give it to me? It has not given me a thing. Ever. But I can seek the feeling. So when you say, I want to believe it, I say, but you don't use the word believe, because it sets up this barrier that until I reach belief, I cannot become it, which is nonsense. Replace the word with states of consciousness, or maybe feeling, because it's actually very easy. You go inside and you allow yourself to play a scene in your head and imagine what that would be like. How would I feel if I was not shy? How would that be like? And I will allow myself to dwell in it throughout the day, when I wake up, middle of the day, 5, 10 times a day. And I will go to bed knowing myself to be not shy. And I will repeat it to me, reminding myself I'm actually not shy. I just thought myself to be. So I will go to the inner man and I will find the feeling, and I will associate myself with that feeling. I will get to know it. How does that feel? And you will notice it feels good. And that is God, Allah, consciousness, telling you, yeah, now you're onto something. That is truth that you are seeking. When it feels good, when you go to the inner man and say, but I am rich, or I am healthy, when you truly dwell in how it would feel like to be what you want to be, you will notice how good it feels. And that will tell you, and that is true. In this moment. Because you only have this present moment, that feeling right now will translate to every moment you will ever have. So in that moment, when you feel it, you are actually not shy. Yes, maybe you wake up and you feel yourself a bit shy again. But then you go to the only solution again. Right? And you let yourself have it. You give yourself your manifestations. You allow yourself to have them right now. There's no one that can stop you. There's no one holding you back. Who is it that is not rich in my head? Who is it that is not healthy in my head? And who can change it? Where am I unsatisfied? In my mind. So where will I solve it? In my mind. Get out of here.